am Michelle Hall, and now that I have my kit, I'm super excited to open it up and show you what's inside. My kit came with a diffuser called the Desert Mist. I got a whole box full of oils. Basically, this is a great way to start learning about oils, is to have this kit. So here is the premium starter kit with, there will be 11 oils. There will be either a Thieves Household packet like this, or you get a spray that's the Thieves Spray or a Thieves Hand Purifier, 2 Ningxia high antioxidant drinks packets, a bunch of cards talking about each of the oils, extra little bottles, a lot of little doodads in here that are very helpful and informational. And you get a newsletter, Cheers product guides,
and mine also came with a magazine. So lots of good things. And I'll show you real quick how easy this is, and I'm talking easy, to use the diffuser. So all you do is add water, and then take one of your oils. I like Citrus Fresh. That was the first oil I started with, and you can put in about 4 or 5 drops. Put it back together, plug it in, and turn it on. Now, what do you think about that?
That was easy.
That was easy.